Welcome back to Dreamy's Country Kitchen. Today I am making cookies and cream cookies requested by my kids. Stay tuned to see how I made it. I hope you enjoy. Today's ingredients: you will need 2 sticks of butter, 2 eggs, 2 chocolate bars of your choice if you like to add that in, chocolate chips, flour, baking powder, baking soda, chocolate chip, white chocolate chips, and some kind of Oreo cookies, brown sugar, white sugar, vanilla extract, and a tablespoon of milk. I'm just going to start off by chopping up these 2 baking bars so I don't have to worry about it later. I'll also crush up these cookies ahead of time in this Ziploc bag. We're on mess control today, so I'm doing it in the Ziploc bag. Collabing with my son, King Martin, today. He has his own YouTube channel, so we're gonna collab today and make these cookies together. So those are his little hands you see. So we're gonna start off by adding the brown sugar and white sugar into the brown butter mixture. I decided to use brown butter. You can stick with regular room temperature butter for this recipe as well too. So we're gonna go on with a tablespoon of vanilla extract and about 2 teaspoons of chocolate extract. That's optional. Next, we're gonna put in the 2 room temperature eggs. My son is going to add in the flour mixture. I'll have the ingredients listed below just in case I missed anything in the beginning. You want to let this mix until it's well combined. So I do apologize. There's a part of the video that is missing where I added the rest of the flour in, and I also added in the cookies. But this is what it looked like once I added the flour and the cookies in. And then I'm going to go ahead and add in some more of the Ghirardelli chocolate bars that we cut up earlier, and also the chocolate chips. Once you're done adding in all the chocolate chips and whatever else you'd like to add, it needs to go in the refrigerator for at least 2 hours to chill. Once your dough has chilled, you can roll it out, put it on your baking pan. I don't do no more than 6 because usually sometimes they might spread, but just in case I always only do 6. It's going to go in the oven on 350 for about 10 to 12 minutes. And here are my cookies coming out of the oven. I'm just adding a few pieces of Hershey's cookies and cream chocolate and a few more pieces of cookies. That's optional. Make sure cookies are cool before you add that chocolate in because it will melt and it will look crazy. Thank you for tuning in today. Please consider subscribing and coming back for more recipes. If you click the notification bell, that'll let you know when I have a new recipe up. Shalom.